Tell me why. Tell me why did you make Keegan evil? Because I do. Because I want him to be proud. That is not proud. I'm gonna be the hero now. I thought you were a villain in the 1991. And now I'm a good guy again. I'm a good guy.
You both are wrong. You guys didn't know that I'm a shadow. A shadow why?
Why? Because in Brookhaven school, because
For the last time, I'm not gonna tell you, Keegan's not evil. He's just an evil demon. The red stickman didn't, the red square guy didn't make him. I did. Because he found me on the cave. On the top.
Yeah, I'm a freaking. I'm gonna be Brother Caleb. I don't know. Hey, KJ, I'm a green KJ version.
Yeah.
And they add me, I'm going to try my character. Shut up, I want to see my daughter. Why? Your daughter is a shit. Hey, don't tell her you naughty boy, bald head. Oh, and you call me that? Yeah, hey, you two, shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. I want to see my son doing. What the hell, Green KJ? What are you that for? Yeah, I thought you all KJ. No. Alright. You know what? Alright. You know what happened? Yeah, I want to see what Among Us Keegan. I want to see my son's doing. Yeah, wait, Cookie? Are you, Cookie? Is that you? No, I'm his dad. Are you his dad? Yes, that can't be. The mountain climber. Yeah, I want to see my evil sons. Wait, you adopted them? No. Yes, I'm adopted them. I was in my baby son. Yeah, you mean that jerk bully? My son told me? Yes. He loves bully. I love him, bully. Yeah. Hello, everybody. We're sorry, Mom. And now, get where you want. It's hard to do. My name's Asa. I know, I'm so proud of you. You know what? This music is about, yeah, this music is about Taylor. Yeah, this music is about not some guy who knows What? I can do, Caleb. That's dead remote. What? Oh, what? What? I can roll this totally no reason. I do. Wait, is that? They counted my name. They counted my name. Brookhaven School. You know. Caleb, you can't just tell Caleb like that. It's like really bad people that. It's like, oh, wait, yeah, Michael, that's a good thing. Well, he got it. I know it do. See, we are the coolest high school peoples. We know, I am, Caleb, I am the coolest man. Us, finally, I can just. I just really sign for that. And you go to every time, Every time they're just waiting for it. Every time you do, well, even though Caleb is doing a good thing.
What are you
6
guys,
hours.
What are you guys talking about?
6 hours later. It's
No.
cool and waiting for. It's cool and
What
waiting
are
for.
you guys talking about?
We are talking about no SAS update.
And I heard you guys thought that you were going to kill Caleb.
No, we are his fans.
In a classroom. How you guys fans if you ain't yelling?
Okay, okay. I either come to the concert. Anybody you know, anybody you know, anybody you know, you know, you know, right? Yeah. Woo!
Ah, DJ, you gotta come with my idea. You put it
whose
up already.
whose idea is it? Me? Yeah. Whose damn idea? Whose idea? Whose idea?
Whose idea is to copy the song? You gotta copy that.
Whose idea is to make Asa Tommy cheat on Asa? Tom? Did you cheat on me? No, Asa.
Stop lying. I heard you like.
Oh, what girl you do?
I heard like Becca, don't stop.
Me, Tom. I don't cheat on you.
Don't you
Asa.
lie. Don't lie. Don't lie. I heard you with someone.
Blue screaming, excuse me, bitch. Excuse me, bitch. I heard Tom. I heard Tom and some girl and some paper girl. You know.
Stop paper. I'm paper.
No, that other paper girl was a good one.
Dude, hurry. If you make that stuff down on paper, they don't walk on paper.
Tom created one. It's like it looks like in a circle. It's like different. It's like
No, I
different.
said no. I heard you with another.
There's somebody accusing her. I think she's accusing. There you go. Oh, that again, Ezra. Alright. This is for Ezra.
Hey, wait before you sing. I just want to quick say this. Everybody, Angela loves you guys.
Hey, anyway, when you subscribe, Caleb. Don't forget to subscribe, Caleb. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your video. Hey, though. Hey, though. And you know, sing it, Angela. Anyone know why the party do? How we put you to it? And think about the party. Stop! You!